The new Audi Q3 for 2022 comes with more outstanding standard equipment, such as front and rear parking sensors, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic warning. Not only that, but the MIB3 system in the latest Audi Q3 for 2022 has been substituted with the newly upgraded MMI infotainment system, which makes it even simpler to stay socially connected without being distracted. The new Audi Q3 has a lot going on. There's more to what we've already said. Therefore, in today's video, we'll show you the top 5 amazing features of the new Audi Q3. Let's get this party started. Number 5. Engine and performance. The Q3 is equipped with an 8-speed automatic gearbox and quattro all-wheel drive and is backed by a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that produces either 184 or 228 horsepower. The engine has plenty of power. Despite this, the transmission shifts smoothly in regular operation and provides sportier responses when switched to S mode. The Q3 has a sensation of quickness thanks to precise steering. If you choose the Audi Q340 TFSI with outstanding basic power or the Audi Q345 TFSI with additional performance, the new 2022 Audi Q3 has you set. It has your back no matter where you go or what you're doing due to its included Audi Drive Pick, which includes auto, comfort, dynamic, off-road, and custom modes. Number 4. Revolutionary driver assistance. The Audi Q3 comes with a slew of innovative driver aid systems that are both standard and optional. Standard Audi Presense Front utilizes a camera to observe the car's front end and provides the driver with both sound and visual alerts if any risk is detected. In the case of an unavoidable accident, Audi Presense Basic can intercede to assist in preparing the car for a crash. Audi Side Assist, Rear Cross-Traffic Assist, Lane Departure Warning, Adaptive Cruise Control with Stop and Go, and Parking System Plus are just a few of the provided safety mechanisms. An upper camera system is offered, which uses 360-degree cameras to provide a thorough picture of your car's environs. Number 3. Interior and cargo. With a substantially superior driving position, a user-friendly arrangement of its controls, and nicer materials, the Q3's interior answers all of the criticisms about the preceding model's cabin. A panorama sunroof, leather interior, back support, and heated seats for the driver are among the outstanding standard amenities. The seats are comfortable and spacious, and we'll tell you more about them immediately after this, so stick with us. The interior is likewise more capacious than the earlier model. If you're vacationing with your large family and need to carry a lot of luggage, the new Audi Q3 got you, as it can hold 6 carry-on baggage in the cargo area and another 12 bags with the back seats folded. The new 2022 Audi Q3 is developed to maximize your entire driving experience by including a variety of amazing features and luxuries, both interior and exterior, to improve your transit. Within the new 2022 Audi Q3, there is a bevy of quality materials, flexible space, and intelligent utilities. The Audi Q3 comes standard with an 8.8-inch touchscreen, a 10-speaker audio, HD radio, 4 USB connections, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, 10.25-inch digital gauge groupings, and a sunroof and tri-zone automatic temperature regulation. Audi's MIB3 infotainment system is well equipped and simple to operate. Stay tuned for further information on the vehicle's infotainment system. But before that, please subscribe to our channel with notifications. Trust us, this means a lot to us. Number 2. Seating. This Audi can seat up to 5 people. Leather materials and heated front seats are conventional, with the option of 8-way power convertible front seats. The seats in the front are comfortable and expansive. The back seats aren't the most spacious in the market. There are 2 full sets of latch connectors for the back outboard seats, as well as a tethering anchor for the rear center seat for attaching children's safety seats. Number 1. Infotainment System. Amazon Alexa has joined the lineup, and trust us when we tell you that you can do pretty amazing things with Amazon Alexa. Case in point, Amazon's Alexa Voice Assistant allows you to switch on the climate control at home before you arrive, activate house lighting, or purchase groceries on your way home. Isn't this great, like we said? The 2022 Q3 includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity as basic features. Apple Music support has also been extended. Users with an Apple ID and an Audi Connect Prime or Plus membership may log into their profile on the Infotainment system and enjoy music without connecting to a phone. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We hope the features of the new Audi Q3 please you. Please forward this video to any automobile fanatics you know. Bye for now.